Today we're back with Star Wars Rogue One, the Topps card set. Really looking forward to opening this one. Apparently it has a limited edition card and stuff. And we're wearing a diesel watch for this opening. Really like this watch, one of my favorites. So, let's get right into it then, shall we? The cards in the pack are loose, so I have to be a little bit careful. But I really like the box or the packaging. It even looks like a Star Wars box, like a Star Wars crate or chest, what you want to call it. And apparently, okay, here I see. These don't open, these clasps. Just pull them apart. Okay, so pretty nice inside. This is how it opens. Cards are just loose in here, so be a bit careful. We have these notches to hold them in place. Could be better. So I think we already start with the legendary card. This is a very shiny one. It's a pretty cool card. It says Topps on here and Star Wars Rogue One. Okay. It opens pretty easily. We have some damage on the corner here, sadly, from shipping. So we have this card, the Director's König, limited Auflage. It's a German card, I see. Limited Auflage, that means limited supply. Not really supply, but like something close to it. So we have the Darth Vader. It's a pretty cool one. I'll have to stack them like this. Another Darth Vader one. More Darth Vader, okay. Forgot his name. From Endor, I think. Darth Vader again. It's pretty cool cards. Pretty cool artwork on this one. We have Custom Troopers. So it's a coastal trooper, I think. That's what I mean. Yeah, the samurai guy from Rogue One. Stormtrooper. I knew these cards were in German, but or at least that they were made in Germany, but I did not expect the names to be in German, like Sturmtrooper, Sturmtrooper. Yeah, I'm not very good in German, so yeah, forgive me for that one. Oh, font. These are cool. So as for artworks, I really like how they look. These cards are pretty cool. All from Rogue One. Rogue One is like my least favorite movie of the Star Wars franchise, I think. It's quite an interesting start to the movies, where you get a lot more background. But in general, I wasn't the biggest fan. Cassian Andor, okay. That's why the series is called Endor. Fine, fair enough. But I wasn't the biggest fan of the storyline and the plot, and I generally don't like movies where everyone dies, because you feel a bit empty at the end of the movie. And this one was basically the same. Looks like every card here is different, and they all have numbers, but I don't see them being in order. Like this is 113. Are there 113 cards in here? Could be. Would be nice. Oh, this is a pretty fun card. Yeah, the back here is cool. 149, okay. Maybe there are more to collect of these. I see something shiny at the back. Just look. I'm quite interested what that one is. So let's power through, shall we? For this one, yeah. Rogue One. Oh, in the back. Okay. This is just boots. So weird one. Part of a puzzle, I guess. And these are the other boots. So part of a puzzle. Oh, okay, I see. It's this one, and this is the entire puzzle, right? Same with this one. So you know where it is in the puzzle. I really like this droid. It's pretty cool. It also has quite an appearance in Jedi Fallen Order. Okay, we're gonna. Oh, my camera fell. Second. I was too excited for the next one. So we get this one in the back. Okay, this one is awesome. Yeah, okay, that's awesome. The effect, wow. I'm a really big R2-D2 fan, so these astromech droids. Yeah, I love these. Oh, the next one too, awesome. Yeah, okay. I'm a fan of this one. I really love this one. Then you have this. That's pretty cool. Apparently the next few are hollow, so I'll just put them aside and show them one by one. Okay. Then we have her again. Jyn Erso. It's a pretty cool card too. Shouldn't drop them. Then we have a TIE Fighter. I love this effect on these cards. That's awesome. We have a very weird card, so it's see-through. It's yeah, that's first one I see. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. And then the last card, it's like embossed, I guess. It's pretty cool. Like he's fighting in the dark. And the back is also pretty cool. Yeah. There was a pretty cool Star Wars set from Topps. Really like the case. They were only like 10 euros for a case. I'm not sure if drop cards. I'm not sure if every case has the same amount of cards or the same cards. Should check that. Yeah, okay. So thank you for viewing my pack opening, and I'll talk to you later.